How to remove Powered by Shopify from your store. Quick tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to remove Powered by Shopify from your store. So let's get into it. If I take you to my online store and we scroll down to my footer, you'll be able to see we have this option right here which says this text right here which says Powered by Shopify, and we see this in all of our stores. How to remove it? You will get to your admin, click on online store, select themes, and it will take you here. In your themes, you're gonna click on these three dots and then you will select edit default theme content. It will take you right here. To save our time, we're just gonna search for it, Powered by Shopify. Once you search for it, you will get the results and you will get the checkout and systems here where you will get the text Powered by Shopify. So all you need to do is just remove this text. It will be actually written here and you will backspace and remove it. Click on save and your settings will be saved and the text will be removed from your website. You can reload your website and it will be removed. But if it does not work, we have another way. You can actually go to again, click on these three dots inside your theme settings. And this time you're gonna click on edit code. In your edit code, what you can do is you can search for footer and then select footer.liquid. It will show you all of the text that we have in the footer. And here we have to search for Powered by Shopify. Once you find it right here, you will just remove the text here. Once you remove it from the coding, it will be removed from your website. You can reload and check. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.